Good afternoon. Thanks, Mr. Ravi and team. There are three aspects of smart healthcare that I wanted to put it across. Point number one, I don't think any of these innovations we are talking about are new to the new to us. Maybe they are all adopted years back in other industries, whether it's appointment system, display systems, biometric things, all the digital activities. I think we are quite late in adopting, but I think we are forced to adopt these things by demanding consumers basically here the patients or our competitors. So at least one good thing that we are doing is because I think as administrators we are becoming smarter to adopt the technology which is already working elsewhere. So at least let's do that at the at the earliest. Second most compelling reason why we should become smarter is the kind of volume that we deal with, comparing to other Western countries where like 3 patients can be seen, or 5 patients, 10 patients can be seen in a complete OPD process. We are forced to see, 10 times more number of patients. So the one and only way to really deal with kind of volume is we have to become smarter, because we can't scale by just adding multiple beds or multiple OPD rooms, and thanks to skills issues, we can't just add multiple doctors overnight. So the one and only way to really cater to our population is to become smarter. The last and most important thing I would say is the outcome of smartness is without adding extra resources, without investing more money, if we can bring in, without charging from the patients, without putting the burden on the patient, if we can really adopt any innovation, then it's really smart. It's not just on the name of smarter, like, just to engage the vendors, invest more money, and then we say that, we are smarter. So without adding money to the patients and to the hospitals, if we can bring in any innovation, and if the outcome is going to be for the benefit of the hospital as well as to the patient, I think then it's really the smart way of doing it. And in Gangaram, we are really trying to do a lot of things. And one of the dream project where our chairman is also here is getting the smart OPD. I would really like, I think I can really commit that in 12 months' time, we would be one of the very basic few hospitals in the country where the entire OPD is completely digital, and all the patient records are captured in a very structured manner and put it across for evidence-based clinical decision support system-driven treatment. So we are really aiming a big, kind of project. And it's our dream project of a chairman, and we are almost crossed the pilot stage, and we are really ahead of, going to maybe in our lives very soon. And I'm sure the outcome will be based on the patient feedback and patient experience, not by revenue, not by, adding more beds.